We have all seen those commercials with Sarah McLachlan talking about animal cruelty. Those commercials would have animals that have been beaten and abused by their owners. I remember seeing those as a child. It made me so sad. It also made me angry. How could a person with feelings, morals, and a soul do that to an animal? I would never harm an animal or treat it cruelly. I'm sure most people feel the same way. However, most of us indirectly abuse animals all the time. Every time that you buy a product that supports a company that performs animal testing, you are supporting animal cruelty. Majority of these experiments come from cosmetic industries and household products. For instance, the acute toxicity test to determine the danger of a single short-term exposure to a product or chemical. The substance is administered to the animals in a high dose via force feeding, force inhalation, and forceful contact. Animals who receive the high dosage often have to endure severe abdominal pain, diarrhea, seizures, paralysis, or bleeding from the nose, mouth, or ears. They eventually die from the unnatural trial, or they are exterminated after the project. There's a vast amount of inhumane experiments performed on animals. Though it is done for human safety, it is wrong. Another example of this would be the Dryas eye and skin tests. In these tests, a substance is dripped or smeared on an animal's eyes or on a shaped piece of skin. Laboratory technicians then record the damage, which can include inflamed skin, ulcers, bleeding, bloody scabs, swollen eyelids, irritated and cloudy eyes, or even blindness. There's no requirement for these lab technicians to administer any kind of numbing cream or anything to the animal, so they feel all of it. Evidence demonstrates that animal studies have variable outcomes and are generally poor predictors of human skin and eye reactions. The qualitative scoring of eye and skin damage in the Dryas test is highly subjective. Therefore, different laboratories and even different rounds of testing within the same laboratory often yield different results. We hold all the power to fix this problem because we have money and the companies need our money. And according to PETA, if we stop giving these companies our money, they will be more likely to change their inappropriate procedures. The European Union, Israel, and India have banned the sale of any cosmetics or cosmetic ingredients that have been tested on animals. The marketing bans mean that companies all around the world will have to abandon animal testing for cosmetics they will want to sell in huge markets. The bans are vigorous and are campaigned by PETA. They also get support from their international affiliates and members and supporters that include public protests, phone calls, and tens of thousands of emails. PETA wants to help accomplish this with America, but they need help from us. Donate to the organization to help. By finding alternative products that are cruelty-free, PETA has a frequently updated list of alternative products that are 100% cruelty-free. Lastly, you can help this struggle by writing to your representatives about the issue and your stance against it. We cannot let this problem continue. Thank you.